If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyi A.K.A. Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyi A.K.A. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Wamji or Iwaji New Yam Festival celebration differs in different communities but serves one purpose for the Igbo community, which is the celebration of yam as the king of crops and signifies that hard work pays in Ogbunike community. It is an annual ritual where the community gets to celebrate and ask for favors in further endeavors to God through the ancestors. That's why one of the aspirants of Igwe sheep in Ogbunike, Ogbuefi Dr. Chuma Odili, Harris, Udokamma, A.K.A. Ogene, on 7th of September 2024 at the field, Ama Azu Ogbunike celebrated Iwaji festival with family, friends, well-wishers, and the entire Ogbunike community in promotion of the culture of Ogbunike.
Here in Ogbunike, and I'm grateful that I'm alive this year to celebrate yet another New Yam Festival. This is an annual, ritual for us. Celebrating New Yam Festival every year. It's not easy. So much resources go into this, but at the end of the day, we are not complaining. We are doing what we know best: cultural promotion, the promotion of the culture of the good people of Ogbunike is paramount. It's paramount. It's supreme. And that is why every year we come together in this form and this style to enjoy ourselves. We have spiritual benefits, also physical benefits. Talk about spiritual benefits. We come together, we pray. We call on our ancestors to wake up. We lay our problems, our challenges before them. And we tell them this is what we are facing. And we want this solved. And we get solution instantly. Okay? We pray with Kolanot. We pray with the New Yam. We pray because the land is fertile. And the ancestors, they are instrumental to the fertility of this land. And so when we pray, the crops, not just yam, of course, yam is the king of crop. Okay? So the king of crop will look at his subjects. Yeah?
Highlighting the benefits of New Yam Festival as opportunity to celebrate the bountiful harvest this year granted to the community by God. Also, Chuma Ogbunike lauded Ogbuefi Dr. Chuma Odili, Harris, Udokamma, A.K.A. Ogene, and prayed that Ogbunike community will consider Ogene the next Igwe of the community. Ogbuefi Dr. Chuma Odili, Harris, Udokamma, A.K.A. Ogene, was praised as rooted aspirant of Igwe sheep in the culture of Ogbunike by High Chief Michael Ikemefuna or the Mo Ogbunike, who said that this is evident in the celebration for New Yam Festival directed at the revival of the culture of Ogbunike.
Ogene Ogbunike when Zuebe when Eliji when you have a visual liberty beer. Ogene Boyne promote culture and tradition of this community. He's the most famous man in this community, and he's an aspirant of the leadership of Ogbunike. Oh yeah, Omena. When with our culture and tradition back, he wants to revive the culture of Ogbunike kingdom back.
Nzamena from Azu Ogbunike believes that Awamji or New Yam Festival of Ogene will bring about good omen in Ogbunike. The Vice President Azu Ogbunike and also a State Commander AVG Anambra State, Chief Ezika Franklin Ugochukwu Ochiaha Ogbunike commended Ogbuefi Dr. Chuma Odili Harris Udokamma A.K.A. Ogene for the New Yam Festival celebration. He described him as a man with integrity and the leader that Ogbunike community deserves.
And then the mother now says, no idea says it. No Kumuna and Ogbunike says, nobody kaya. So I don't know who Ogbunasa and Ogbunike. I know where the Ogbunike.
From Amazu Ogbunike, Martin Chukwu A.K.A. reporting.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Udokamma the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Chukwu A.K.A. example the first. Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Chukwu A.K.A. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.